Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc President Vincent H. Pala today informed that stern action would be taken against any disgruntled legislators planning to leave the party. During a crucial meeting held at Congress Bhavan, which was attended by Member of Parliament from Tura, Saleng A. Sangma, Congress Legislature Party Leader Ronnie V. Lingdo, Congress Working Presidents Deborah Marak and P.N. Aim, among others, the leadership addressed concerns regarding the three legislators planning to join the NPP. Pala described this situation as an attempt by the BJP-NPP alliance to weaken the Congress in Meghalaya.
We have seen how many people left, and we didn't spare anyone who left the party we didn't spare anyone. So we told them whatever we have done before, the same actions will be taken to them. The party has a set of rules. The party has a set of practice. The party is always will maintain the same discipline. We will not do to this flow differently and that differently. We will take action based on the reports on the ground also. We have got the reports from the blocks. We have got a report from the district. So definitely we will do that.